You've heard it a million times. Start with a hook to grab attention. But the right hook builds trust and sets up a real connection. Let's talk about it.
Most content opens loud and then goes nowhere. It starts with a viral style hook, but then the body is all filler. No story, no direction, no impact.
It's like hyping up a gourmet meal and then serving boxed mac and cheese. Your audience might bite once, but they won't come back. Hooks only work when they lead somewhere that matters, and that starts with knowing your brand, your story, and what your audience actually cares about.
So here's how to make your hooks hit harder and actually mean something. First, let your audience guide the hook. Don't just follow trends. Start with the pain points or questions your audience is already thinking about.
For example, a candle brand leads with, "Smells like a fireplace on a snowy night." Now the product becomes a story. Or a personal trainer can ask, "What's your biggest fitness challenge right now?" Now it's a conversation, not a pitch.
Next, track what works. Not all hooks land, and that's just part of the game. So test them. Create a simple system, spreadsheet, Notion, whatever you use, and review your top performing post.
Look for patterns, then double down on what connects and drop what doesn't. And finally, connect your hook to your message. A good hook is a doorway, not a distraction. So after you grab attention, walk people into something real, a story, a tip, a truth. Make sure the body of your content delivers on the promise your hook made.
Look at your last few posts or videos. Which ones opened strong and followed through? Which ones didn't?
Outline your next story. Pick your hook with intention, then connect it to something worth sticking around for. That's how you stop the scroll and keep the attention. Your move.